In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove or disable logged in password or PIN in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, wait until it would be set first before we continue. And once ready, please navigate to the left pane and find for accounts. Click on it. Now at the account section, you need to scroll down, locate for account settings, and find for sign in options, which contains the Windows Hello security key, password, and dynamic lock. Now, if you would like to remove your password, first you need to turn this off, which is for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Because if you turn this on, you won't be able to see the password here under the list of ways to sign in. So by that, you need to turn it off, and once done, you'd be able to see this password. Please click on this down arrow key and here you'd be able to see removed option. So in my case, I don't have any because I'm not using the password as my security key. Instead, I'm using my PIN. But if you would like to remove that, click on removed. Once you've removed it, follow the command there, complete the process, click on yes, and in order that you'd be able to remove that. Okay. And on the other hand, if you would like to remove the PIN, click on this down arrow key. Then you can see that removed. Okay. So click on removed and here it will ask you to removed to confirm your action if you would want to remove really or if you are final with the decision and if you would like to remove that then click on removed. So the moment you click on remove, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to disable the pin and then the password here in your Windows 11. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.